The kitchen is the busiest room in the house, and it's also the space where family members typically leave messages for one another. But rather than putting up sticky notes or using a bulletin board with push pins, I have a better solution. Take chalkboard paint, which you can buy at any home center store, and paint a permanent chalkboard message center on the inside of a door. You don't want to do the front of the door unless it's in a utility room or maybe a garage. Over here I've got a door that I've started already. Yesterday I took some painter's tape and I just masked off the area around the back of the door, and then I used a 2.5-inch wide brush to apply the paint, the chalkboard paint. Now this paint, it's water-based, so you can clean up easily with water, but it needs a full 24 hours to dry, otherwise it won't work properly. You won't be able to see or erase the chalk. Now the messages can be written with standard chalk, but it is, as I said, it's really important that you apply 2 coats and let it dry at least 24 hours in between. Now once this is fully dry, you can rehang the door and you've got yourself a brand new family message center.